And hello everybody, welcome back. Today I will be not explaining but showing you a few fonts on HTML. Now this is also coming in like when you start studying CSS and stuff, but for right now we're just going to start with HTML. So we're going to learn the different types of fonts you can add and all of that pretty cool stuff. Now let's start off by creating the HTML page. Okay, so first we'll be doing a bit of bold. Now to do bold, you put it in a paragraph and everything. Then the same with the paragraph, it's just a B this time, and it will make the text bold. You can put it in the middle of a sentence. You can put it anywhere, and whatever in it will be in bold. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a few paragraph starters and stuff just to get them started, because this is going to take a while if I'm going to do it all one by one and stuff like that. So I'm just going to start it off. I suggest you do it too if you're typing this out right now. Okay, now next up is big. Big is almost like bold, but it's not really bold. It's actually really big text. Not very big, but it is bigger. Now remember with these, they're all just like the paragraph elements. They all come in those bigger as and smaller as things. All of them are exactly like that. Next is italic text. Now this is those that lies a little bit sideways. Looks a little bit weird. Yeah, these are those. Next up is small text. Now small text is like big text, but opposite. It's smaller than the rest. Okay, now it is strong text. Now this is basically bold. It's just another word. There's no real difference between this and bold, so I'd rather use bold, but some people decide that they rather want to use strong. Now this is subscripted text. I don't know what is so special about it or anything. I can't really see a difference when I look at it, but it is part of the HTML fonts that you get, so it's still there. Still gotta use it. Okay, this is inserted text. This is the text where there's a line underneath it. Yeah, it's pretty nice and all. Next up is deleted text. Now this is the text with a line through it, not underneath it, through it. Okay, so that's about all of them. There's another one called Subscript, but you don't need to know that one, because it's the same as, the subscripted, to me at least. So let's save it and open it up, and let's see how it looks. So there you can see how everything looks. You can maybe decide if something doesn't look the same and I said it did or whatever. And thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was really helpful to you guys. See you all in the next video.